Established in 1986, NMAM Institute of Technology has grown into a hub of innovation and global opportunity, offering 14 specializations in B.Tech and 5 in M.Tech. Today, its students are making their mark across Japan's most advanced industries. More than 300 students from our institution have been selected by Japanese companies, including 134 students from core engineering branches alone. And the numbers speak for themselves. A median salary package of 28 lakh rupees, opening doors to global careers in technology, manufacturing and automation. From companies like Yokogawa Electric, Nidec Instruments, Shibuya Corporation, Hitachi KE Systems Limited, TESEC and many more. To prepare students for this global journey, Japanese language training is offered right here on campus, helping them transition confidently into international workplaces. And it begins even before graduation, through internships and global academic exposure with organizations like Ritsumeikan University, Kanazawa University, Saskin Technologies, and more. This is more than placements. This is engineering without borders.